a cartoony model metro rail. This one is a sports car. This one is a fast food delivery car. Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new interesting video. Friends, today I have a full box of toys in this Greenland. See, this is very nice and beautiful color combination, many toy vehicles here. So friends, now I will introduce one by one all of these toys with you. Let's go. At first is a taxi car. See this taxi car, this is a paste and pink color combination, this nice mini size taxi car. So I will take it this side here. And next one is here a dirt bike. This is a realistic model plastic toy. Here is white, green and blue color combination, this nice bike. And this one is a fast food delivery car. This is also realistic model plastic fast food delivery car. You can see this is white, blue and pink color combination, this nice fast food delivery car. So I collect this one at my side here. And this one is a police bike with a police. This is a UN Force cartoony police bike. Here is a blue and white color combination. I also collect this one at my side here. Oh friends, now I take a cartoony model car. This is a green, black and silver color combination, this nice cartoony model car. And this one is a sports car. You can see this car in a sports track. This is a red, yellow and blue color combination, this nice sports car. Oh, here is a funny toy horse with an alien. This is a yellow and red color combination, this nice horse with alien. And here is a cartoony model metro rail. This is a red, black and white color combination, this six-wheeler big metro rail. And you can see here many stickers. And next one is here a six-wheeler realistic model, this fuel tanker. This is used for supply fuel. You can see this color. This is a red, black, yellow and blue color combination, this nice realistic model plastic fuel tanker. And next one is here a realistic model, this drum truck. See friend, this is a realistic model drum truck but a plastic toy. This is a yellow, black and red color combination, this nice realistic model drum truck. So I collect this one also my side here. And here is the last one is a fire truck. This is used by fire service rescue team. You can see this is a realistic model, this fire truck. Here is a red, black, yellow and blue color combination, this nice fire truck. So friends, I also collect this one at my side here. Friends, one by one all of these toys introduced with you and all are together here. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel and waiting for next video.